black. I mean back.
It's your boy.
Yeah, but we are black. We are back playing Ratchet and Clank. And there go me again, and there go Kira and K. Allen rolling on the vent, and now I spelled Ratchet and Clank wrong on the first video, so don't get mad.
Not the first video.
I left the T out.
Yeah, the T that
So it's
I'm gonna point to it. The T that is right there.
Click.
Bro, I'm only stupid fly. Oh yeah, I watched Super Mario Logan.
Me too. All three of us do.
Yep. And that rhyme. 20 back. Alright, so let's get started.
Sorry, but they drew on the TV.
Yeah, they did.
The helpless defect knew that his best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there alive.
I know you will find the defect. You never disappoint.
Yeah, this is Clank. The robot is Clank.
Knew that if he were to survive,
They became Galactic
whatever
Rangers.
lay in his path.
And they have weapons too. They like got bombs.
He could now defeat the deadliest of forces.
Well, I don't have to tell the people.
Oh yeah, and just so you know, if you watched our last video, this is on the PS4, right there.
Oh, I thought we told them that this was a PS4 only.
I know. But if they watch the first...
Alright, alright, turn it back. I'm gonna go against Victor.
We need a camera, man. Ooh. There's Victor. I mean, yeah, Victor. It needs to focus.
Useless piece of scrap.
I'm gonna scoot back a little so y'all can see it better.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you can get that gun that he used. But you gotta...
Just like the Peacemaker and Warhammer.
Whatever. Do it better. Alright.
PS4.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power source. This device could power up a variety of machines. But where should he throw it?
A variety of
You're like
machines.
really good at adding drama, man. Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling. What seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, Chairman. I got it right where I want it.
Yeah, we were supposed to go to dojo today.
No, I'm not. Shut up. Oh yeah, we'll just tell you.
We were supposed to go to the dojo today, but they closed at 3 o'clock, and it's
open on the weekdays from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m.
so we're going on Monday,
Yeah, we gotta go on Monday.
and today is Saturday.
Oh dang, man, is that your squid?
Yeah, he likes SpongeBob.
Tweezy, bro. That's Tweezy SpongeBob.
And
Not
regular.
just SpongeBob, Tweezy SpongeBob.
Both, actually.
Yeah, that Burleezy too. And hey Arnold, Tweezy.
Think you can run
And
from me?
Lurleezy.
I said Burleezy.
I said Lurleezy.
Whoever that is.
Then you're gonna say, oh.
Oh shit.
That just went right through you.
Oh no!
Get back here, you miserable thief. defect.
I'm sure.
Try out running this.
No!
I'm gonna rip you apart. Sprocket by sprocket.
Front flip, oh yeah, oh shit. Front flip, oh yeah, oh shit. Front flip, oh yeah. Okay, I see you through. Yeah, I just saw the real front flip. Oh.
Quarter.
Go to him. No, he ran. So we will be ending this video after this. So that was part 2 of Ratchet and Clank. And this time I will spell it right. R-A-T-C-H-E-T.
Maybe. But
And
yeah.
Clank. And Clank. But I did spell him
Set
right.
coordinates for the
Carrie's
Galactic
supposed
Ranger
to get in
home
the
base.
shower.
Oh, you didn't have to bring that out, dude.
Oh,
No, they even heard that now. No. I don't know. And this is Velden. So you will be seeing me playing Velden next time.
So
So see you later. Bye.
bye. Even though I'm so